We're back for another Cooking with Katie and George.
Hi.
He said like Squidward. We have grew up to be Squidwards.
I'm more like I'm a SpongeBob. No, Mr. Krabs.
I was going to say, you are not SpongeBob. You are Mr. Krabs all the way.
Money. Nah.
But today we're going to be...
You know what?
What?
Patrick.
Oh, God. That's Charlie.
Charlie's Patrick.
Charlie's Patrick.
I feel like he'd be a SpongeBob, just like wide open all the time.
Well, Patrick is too. Good point.
He does say, hi, how are you? Fine, how are you? Okay, what's up?
Anyway, it is pouring down rain outside, or it was.
Sprinkling.
Yeah, it's sprinkling.
And it's a fall day.
And it's fall, and it's a little bit chilly, and I got my house boots on.
Those are like fake Uggs and leggings.
It's cold in
white
here.
girl.
No, I don't like pumpkin spice. So we're going to make some homemade chili beans. Well, homemade-ish. They're made at home.
If you read off the pack and you make it at home, wouldn't it be homemade though?
You're making it at home.
I mean, homemade would be like they would need beans and hamburger, and daggone, we got all that. We just ain't going to go kill the cow or go get the beans.
So we're going to make hamburger.
Give it the beans.
We're going to make chili beans. I got my hamburger in the microwave thawing out because it was frozen.
Let's go over there freshly picked off the shelf.
We got our great value chili bean mix.
With instructions.
Yes. Kidney beans.
This says best used by 8/15 of like 18.
No, it don't.
Yes, it does.
It's a seasoning. It ain't been opened.
I'm just kidding. Okay, good.
And our
2 cans.
tomato sauce.
It says 1 ounce of great value because we're cheap.
That's what we got.
1 pound of hamburger.
It's in the microwave.
And then 2 cans of great value sauce.
It's not great value.
Yeah.
We got that Hunts and
then it don't say anything about kidney beans, but of course you gotta have beans in it. What they say, beans, good for your heart. The more you eat, the fuller you'll be.
I'm gonna say, you're disgusting.
Alright, so you need to wait for that.
Yep, let's wait for our hamburger to thaw out and fry her up.
That's a snowflake.
It's because it's thawing it out.
Oh.
Snowflake.
You spin me right around, baby.
Hamburger is thawed out. That's why I put it on a plate. We had some spillage. And I'm going to go ahead and cut it up an onion to put in the pot with the hamburger too. So
you gotta love onions. Like,
oh yeah. Love onions. So I'm going to put the hamburger in the pot, cut this up, put it in a pot, fry her up. Let's go.
Done. I'm a world record like chili cook-off person.
You get my
do they have chili cook-offs right here?
Yeah, they just had one like yesterday.
Where?
I'm not sure. I'll have to look.
I feel like you're full of it.
No, because girl I went to school with posted it on Facebook.
Did she win?
I don't know, because she posted her whole shopping cart, chili cook-off ready. She had a buggy full of stuff.
Huh. Bet you ain't gonna beat this homemade chili. Bam! Right there. Chili like Grandma used to make, just like that blonde girl makes.
Yeah.
It's bleeding. Help me. Help me.
You're disgusting.
I'm a commentary person. Alright, so right now, we just put a big thing of meat in the pot. No! It's like a giant worm. Squishing the worm. As you see, I'm not really a chef or cook or anything. I'm just here just to...
moral support.
Yeah, I'm just here to hold the camera and like kill stuff.
Make a mess.
Alright, let's get some good angles on that right there. that slicing and dicing. I love onions. Like onions, just I love it.
I don't like them raw. I like them cooked.
And do you need to like add water with a sauce? Probably do that, right?
We'll go with hamburger fry first, or else you're gonna have a bunch of grease up in here.
Gotcha. I'm saucing the chili. Post Malone, hit me up. Alright, so you just gotta let that simmer for how long?
Sorry, I had to sneeze. It didn't come out. Till the hamburger's brown.
Alright, so we're gonna let that simmer, come to a simmer and let it get brown. And then we'll be back.
Clean my mess up.
And cleaning time. All right. So what are you doing now?
Draining the grease off a hamburger.
Oh, so you don't want no juicy meat?
No, I don't want no greasy meat.
There we go. All right. Looks good to me. All right, so we're putting it over here and we got to mix it now.
Yeah.
So this is how you properly wash the meat.
You're so
What?
weird. I'm
I'm not saying. I'm telling you, you're washing meat, woman.
ready.
You are a meat washer. All right. What do we do now?
All right. Tomato sauce.
All right.
Tomato sauce.
All right. Oh no! Oh my God!
Oh no, I need my scissors.
Hey, well, that's got blood all over
I
it.
gotta wash them off.
Okay, I'm like, get salmonella.
But it's all getting cooked anyway, so I don't think you get cooked
Looks pretty good. Now, should you put the beans in separate, or I figure it would? What? How long do you let it simmer for?
till it's all hot.
Huh? Makes sense.
Seasons on.
Ooh, hey, let me smell that. Does it smell good?
Yep.
Oh, that smells really good. All right. Look at that. Look at that stir action. Ooh, yeah. Watch me drop it into.
Yeah, please don't.
Oh no, not the cam. The cam. All right. Time for a little bean action. Oh yeah, it's got a lot of
Got juice.
juice in it. A little bit of juicy juice. Oh yeah, so this is going to look really good. All right. To be honest, you could probably put another can in there. You have two?
Yeah.
I mean, because the beans, that's like one of the best parts.
Yeah, I think it needs
You know, I think we need another can.
that or pinto beans.
Don't put pinto beans
I
in
know, I was
chili.
waiting for your reaction.
It's kidney beans. Dark red kidney beans.
There they are.
Alright, yep. Great value. It's like we're great value except for, I mean, we splurged on their sauces.
Yeah.
Except for that, I don't know what.
Sam's.
Sam's and then Hunt's. That's
And that was the last one. That lasted us like 2 months.
It was never open.
I'm talking about the box.
Oh, it was a box of. I'm like, the can was never open.
No, the box. Because I think there's like 12 or 24 in a box. I think 12.
I think it stopped raining.
And you even said, we don't need that big of a thing. Well, looky here.
Well, hey. You don't see that. That's actually pretty color. You know what kidney beans are made out of?
Beans?
Kidneys.
No, they're not.
True story. Uncle Rico told me. Pouring down on. Oh yeah, so we're gonna let that come to a simmer. How long do you think?
About 10 minutes. Long enough for us to can get hot.
All right. Looks good to me. All right. Well, let's let that do it. What's your opinion on this? Is it hard? What would you say from five chef hats to one out of 5 chef hats? How hard is this?
It's not.
So you're telling me it's a 1?
Yeah, because it's not hard.
So that's coming to a simmer. She's doing a little bit of cleanup time. I was really scared because I didn't think we had any crackers. Like, you cannot have chili unless you have at least 1 whole pack of crackers in the bowl with it. Scrounged up. You can't. We should have got some oyster crackers. That would have been better.
Well, we go to the grocery store. We'll get you some.
Oyster crackers would be good.
Because it's getting chilly weather. So.
Oh yeah. So this is a little bit of quote unquote homemade chili for some fall rainy day. Look at that. Look, we even have Halloween decor here for you. Ooh, look at that. Yeah, that's A1 right there.
It like that.
Well, that cool fall stuff just went out the window.
No, I bought that last year. Remember?
Oh, and you can't have chili beans without a big bag of cheese. I'm cheesing. While I'm saucing.
So weird.
Well, I'm telling you. All right. Oh yeah, there ain't nothing like a big bag of like homemade chili. Big bag of homemade chili. Big pot of homemade chili chili.
I would love to have some of my daddy's chili.
My dad always made really good chili too. He would cook like all day, and he would put so much like crap in it. I don't even know what it had in it, but it was really good. It's like you could eat it for like days because he cooked such a big pot.
I remember one time he made it so hot though. We all had like this much cheese in our bowl and some crackers, and it was still like set you on fire.
So you told me you had that much cheese.
Well,
like your bowl had that much cheese in it. How many packs of cheese did y'all have to fill every bowl?
At the time, all of us was still at home.
So y'all had like 4 to 5 packs of cheese, just like that, and put it in each bowl.
You're so weird.
You're telling me
we had like a pound of cheese each in our bowl.
You had a pound of cheese.
Yeah. This whole bag, I think, is 5 pounds. Yeah.
So basically, everybody, you split perfectly pounds out.
Yep.
It's like we broke the scales out and started like credit card going cheese. Chili looks good.
I said a spoon, not a ladle.
Ladle.
Let
me try this chili out here.
That smells good.
Yeah. Is it hot?
I'm sure it's been cooking.
I don't like it.
Really?
No, I'm just kidding. But I think we need some like garlic sauce and stuff, you know.
Okay, I got you.
Some little, yeah, maybe some salt and pepper or something.
Got you.
All right.
Do you think you had enough onion?
Do
you think it had enough onion?
It had enough onion.
Okay.
No. I think we could use another one.
Another onion or just some onion?
I don't know. See, I prefer the real thing. Okay. But it's up to you. What's this? Garlic powder? Garlic. Yeah, I think we need some garlic powder, salt and pepper, because we ain't got no really seasoning or anything in it. Holy cocaine lines. Holy garlic pepper. There we go. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that wrist action. This is how we spice up the chili. Spice up the chili. Spice up the chili. Oh yeah. Here, I'll stir that while you get the onion. Let me get this. Look at that. Oh yeah. Look, I don't even have to do anything. See if I can get this over going. Ooh. Look at that. Look, it stirred itself. What you do? Just get it like this. It stirred itself. Look.
Are you making a mess?
Nope. Just stirring away. Whoops. Self-stir. Could you imagine if they made a self-stirring pan? You just and it just goes around like this, and you just like put that's $1 million ideal.
They do have a thing you put in it, and it like.
Okay, don't crash my bubble or plan. I'm about to call QVC. Okay. We're gonna make a deal.
Make a deal.
Yeah, let's make a deal. You give me $4 billion, and I'll find somebody to make this. Okay, I think we're good there. So I'm gonna bring it over here. You get some good camera footage right there of that onion, that beautiful onion right there. Oh goodness. Alright, I think that, yeah, this should be pretty good. Because it just tasted like beans and, you know, I'm telling you, some of the best chili. I freaking love Wendy's chili.
You know, I don't know if I've
Theirs
ever had
has
it.
a little spice to it, though.
I don't know. But here, I need to wash my hands.
Okay. Alright, finally done.
Ladle, ladle, ladle.
Ladle, ladle, ladle. Wee. Oh, yeah, look at that. Let me get that poured action. Alright, it's good. Oh, yeah.
Like how you got cracker crumbs in my bowl.
You don't like crackers in it? What? That's, you're not normal.
You're not normal.
I know.
You have like half a bowl of crackers over here.
So? That actually didn't make that much.
Not really, not if you would think.
Yeah. Alright. One more. One more, boy. Oh, yeah. There we go. Alright, let's get some cheese action. Cheesin'! Ooh.
It's so weird. More?
No, it's good. I feel like this one was too hot. This one was too cold. This one was just right. The three little bears. Or, yeah, it was the three little bears, wasn't it?
Yeah, Goldilocks
The porridge.
and 3 bears.
Yeah. Goldilocks. Blondie locks and the 3 bowls of chili. Alright. Time to eat these bad boys.
Alright, this is going to end this one. Somebody was on their phone and not paying attention.
Yes, this was.
But this was a simple, short little meal. Just something for us for lunch. Actually, this was like a last minute. Hey, why don't we cook this and we'll go ahead and do a video for you. So, we are going to get into more technical, well, not technical, just more...
I don't know. Hopefully from now on,
like,
you know, we'll actually take the camera and we'll be going like to the store. You'll see us get the ingredients and everything.
Yeah.
and then
or at least like one large shopping trip to get.
But
everything.
she is going to go back in the comments, even comment on this video and look and see what everybody suggested, because a lot of people have some really great ideas.
Yeah.
And of course, we still got the little mini pots and stuff that we can make mini stuff. We're going to do that. So.
Yeah. So I'm gonna go back through the comments and read like what you all recommended on me fixing or us fixing, mini and regular. So keep an eye out. You might see your recommendation. I couldn't think of the word.
Yeah, if somebody says you should cook that, you should like shout them out like, hey.
And I will. If we choose something that you recommended, we'll give you a shout out in the videos, you know, and say, hey, so and so told us to fix this, so here we are. You're welcome. But this is going to end this. I'm hungry. It's lunchtime, so we're going to go eat. So, like, comment, share. Bye.